This video is an installation overview for Sinister Diesel's intake elbow for 2003 to 2007 5.9 liter Cummins trucks. In the box you'll have the intake elbow itself with ports for water and methanol injection, mounting hardware and new gaskets between the grid heater, grid plate, and the new intake elbow, a 2018 catalog, and a Sinister Diesel sticker. To begin this installation, we are going to remove either the factory or the aftermarket air intake elbow that is currently on the truck. Several mounting hardware variations exist, but the bolt pattern is the same for each intake. I'm going to remove all 4 bolts, holding down this air intake elbow, and then replace it with the Sinister Diesel intake elbow. Now we can install our new gaskets between the grid heater and the grid plate and the new intake elbow. After aligning the gaskets, use the supplied Allen hardware to secure the new intake elbow to the grid plate and grid heater. Once the intake elbow is secure, we can reinstall the intercooler tubing with the existing boot and boot clamp. Secure the oil dipstick tube to the flange on the Sinister Diesel intake elbow using the supplied hardware. Once the mounting hardware is secure, this installation is finished. For more information about performance products, please contact Sinister Diesel on the web or toll free at 833-507-7181. Thank you.